On ICOs this week, we review SQZR, a platform for blockchain development of apps, AI crypto, an artificial intelligence ecosystem powered by blockchain, and GigTricks, a blockchain-based marketplace for freelancers. SQZR is a fresh idea that will enable developers to work together on new apps through a blockchain connector offered by the platform. The software will enable developers to connect to multiple blockchains, while also allowing them to test the developed applications within the network. This should speed up the production deployment process. Currently, developers need to download all blocks into the machine's local storage unit, which decreases the velocity. SQZR proposes to utilize microservices, a system whereby software is built in smaller, loosely coupled segments rather than one large block, making it possible for multiple teams to work on separate segments at the same time. Companies such as Netflix, Uber, and Groupon are currently using this type of architecture. SQZR applications will be powered by microservices platforms such as AWS Lambda and Google Functions, which means that the auto-scalability feature is enabled by default. The white paper is well laid out, showcasing what the platform will look like once it's up and running. Advisors from various markets are powering up the young and energetic team, which already has partnerships lined up. They also score well on ICO Bench, ICO Marks, and others, and have a healthy community on Twitter and Telegram. Token economics. The pre-sale will start on May the 14th and will last until May the 31st with a 20% bonus. A SQZR token will cost 20 US cents with a soft cap of 3,850,000 SQZRs and a hard cap of 154 million SQZRs. The target for the pre-sale stage is 50 million and 50,000 SQZRs. The main sale will take place on June the 1st and will last for 1 month. There will be tier bonuses available throughout this sale, ranging from 0 to 10%. The overall target is 103,950,000 SQZRs. The tokens are based on the Ethereum ERC20 platform and will be delivered 10 days after the sale ends. The unsold tokens will be burned. The total token supply is 385 million SQZRs. Now, token distribution will be 40% among the sale itself, with the platform receiving 34%, the team 20%, advisors 5%, and bounty 1%. From the token proceeds, 45% will go for technical development, 30% for non-technical staff, and the rest will be distributed among marketing, infrastructure, and other operating expenses. The project itself seems renewable and could bring great innovations in development of blockchain-based applications. The project is likely to be medium to long term, but if followed through, could really become something. AI crypto is an ecosystem that will offer a global shelter to make artificial intelligence a property of humanity. The project will enable individuals to provide the resources of their idle computing power to create data needed for AI research, for which they'll be rewarded. The AI crypto is against ASIC or hardware mining. Instead, they propose a fresh idea similar to GPU mining, with remaining resources used to support the ecosystem. AI Crypto proposes to reward its members for creating values gained through just use of resource. Their mission is to revolutionize the AI ecosystem using blockchain technology without the need for hardware mining. The project takes advantage of the unused GPU hardware resources while providing and acquiring data for training models for AI algorithms. The system will allow people to offer certain algorithms or models while others will pay for their use. The project is based on a proof of value principle. The main purpose of this project is to make AI research easier and cheaper to conduct, while connecting developers from all around the world through this platform. The idea is quite interesting, and although we've reviewed other similar projects like this before, the team seems to have the experience to carry it off. Ratings on ICO Bench and ICO Marks were good, and although the white paper is a bit dense, it explains things in detail. The project is offering a bounty too, which will probably attract a lot of people. Token economics. The pre-ICO will begin on May the 9th and will last until May the 23rd. This is divided into 2 stages. The first will have a 20% bonus and will go for the first 1 billion AI crypto tokens, and the second will have a 10% bonus for the same amount of AI crypto tokens. The pre-sale has a soft cap equivalent to 20,000 Ether. Each Ether equates to 100,000 AI crypto. The main sale will take place from May the 30th until June the 30th. The total supply of AI crypto coins is 10 billion, with a hard cap for the initial funding limited to the equivalent of 50,000 Ether. 50% of the coins will be distributed for the main sale, and the rest among pre-sale and bonuses. Advisors, partners, and the company itself will retain about 20% of the coins, with 30% spread among the early investors, team, marketing, and operations. As for the proceeds allocation, 42% will go for the development of the app, 25% for operating expenses, 14% for marketing and accounting, and the rest for business expenses and a reserve fund. Be aware that there could be additional coins issued, and this would depend on the number of retired coins after the ICO, which usually doesn't show a lot of trust within the community. The project has a lot to accomplish in order to become successful, but may yield amazing technological advances if carried all the way through. GigTricks is seeking to create a marketplace that connects entrepreneurs with freelancers on a global scale. This blockchain-inspired innovation plans to use the Gigbit token for this purpose. The project seeks to showcase the professional profiles of a diverse range of experts, verified under the GigTricks blockchain platform, with their skills rated. GigTricks will also offer a learning mechanism for freelancers to acquire better ratings and a place to offer their skills to a wider range of contractors. The platform will also have a social space for interaction among participants, allowing people to follow each other, message, and even share information. Finally, GigTricks will offer a point of sale to provide sellers with a payment flexibility. If you've heard of Upwork, this project would be similar, but blockchain improved. Through blockchain technology, GigTricks will implement distributive permanent ledgers that are immutable and transparent. They will offer better security for the data shared through the platform. Additionally, fees will drop from 20% when using regular fiat to 0.25%, making it a lot more profitable for freelancers and contractors. The use of smart contracts will also be part of the infrastructure, giving guarantees to both parties. The white paper is long, but the project is massive, so this really makes sense. The website is beautifully laid out with easy-to-read information for users. There's a private sale going on at the moment with a 75% discount almost reached, so you need to hurry if you want to take part in this one. The team seems to be quite energetic. They've got a good set of advisors and partnerships already lined up. Scores on ICO Bench and ICO Marks were good too. Let's talk about token economics. There's a maximum GBTC token supply of 1 billion. The platform is Ethereum ERC20, and 1 GBTC will be equivalent to $0.124 during the pre-ICO. During the ICO, though, the price will go up to $0.248. The minimum investment is set at $100, and they take Ethereum and Bitcoin. Bonuses will vary depending on when you purchase, ranging from 0% to 75%. The soft cap is $5 million, and the hard cap is $50 million. The pre-ICO starts on June the 1st and will last for a month, with the main sale beginning on July the 1st and lasting 2 months. Now, interestingly, they're allocating 20% for ecosystem incentive and only 35% for the actual sale, which includes the pre-sale, pre-ICO, and ICO. Usually this means bounties, but they have not specified this as an incentive to users. As for the proceeds, well, the majority will go into development and operational expenses, which seems logical. The project is quite massive, but so is this market. This is quite a risky one, but could really pay off if they develop a platform that delivers as well as promised in the white paper. I'm Tom Bell, and this was ICOs This Week. Remember to subscribe for more. See you next time.